how to manually save WhatsApp photos on the iPhone. So let me show you how it works. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, when you go to the WhatsApp application, you can tap on the settings at the bottom. And then when you go to the storage and the data, you can see if the media gets downloaded automatically, right? And also if it's supposed to be downloaded in which quality, and you can manage the storage, and you can see all of the different things can be set up right here. But if you don't like the automatic options, you can literally just open up the chat and check out the photo there. So for example, you open up the picture in full screen, click the share icon and tap on the save button, which will save the picture. Of course, this is the manual approach, meaning that you specifically decide which picture you want to save to your gallery, and that's how you do it. Or you can also go to your chat, tap on the person at the top, and you'll be able to find the section for media, links, and docs, right? And in there as well, you can perform some changes to it. So if you have multiple media in here, you can select it, select multiple, tap on share, and as well, you should have the ability to save the items, which means that the photo and video will appear in my gallery, right? So that's how you can manually save WhatsApp photos on the iPhone. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. So yeah, the point is that you probably don't want the pictures to be downloaded automatically. So that's something that you can turn off, right? So again, you would find it in the WhatsApp settings by going to the chats and save to photos. And I don't have that turned on because that would mean that the pictures will automatically be saved to my gallery, but I prefer the manual approach. So that is all that I wanted to show you. Let me know if you managed to set it up and find it on your device the same way. Hit the thumbs up if it worked and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one.